Hey guys, today's video I'm going to be sharing with you guys some simple but beautiful Easter makeover DIYs using Dollar Tree products. So if you guys saw my last video, I shared with you guys how I took these huge plastic eggs from Walmart and Dollar Tree and made them over. One of the things that I did was I Mod Podged a couple of them into the style that I wanted to with some beautiful napkins I got on Amazon, and I really enjoyed making those and I loved how they came out. So I wanted to continue doing that Mod Podge style on something else. So I grabbed this wooden bunny from Dollar Tree, this thick wooden bunny from Dollar Tree, and I thought they would look so pretty Mod Podge. Plus I've seen it online for much more, these wooden like bunnies that they've been selling them for like $25 to $50, that they have this basically this flowery effect on it that I knew I could do with the Mod Podge. So the first thing I wanted to do with the bunnies is to paint them white because I wanted to have a white base. So I just painted them with some white like matte paint. So I wanted to do two different styles just like I did with the eggs. So for the pink flowery style, I went with the same napkins that I used because I have so many of them. But when it came to the blue flowers, I wanted to do a different pattern because like I showed you guys in the last video, the pack that I bought came with like 9 different blue patterns. So I wanted to try a different one for this one. And so this is the one that I picked. And I just cut out like the little butterflies and the little stems and the flowers. And the first thing I did with this one is I kind of laid out how I wanted it done before I Mod Podged it down. And then I used the same Mod Podge that I used on my last project, just the matte Mod Podge. And then I sealed it with the gloss Mod Podge and also sealed it with that Krylon spray that I shared with you guys. I'll link it again down below if you guys want to get it, but that seals everything in. And this is how they turned out, and I absolutely love how they came out. I was gonna add a bow to them with like a I was gonna get a ribbon and tie it in a bow and add it to their ears and kind of add a little bow to it. But once I was done, I kind of wanted, sometimes I feel like less is more. So I decided not to put the bow on the ear. But you guys let me know down below, would you guys have added a bow to the ear, or would you have just left it plain like this? I was gonna add a navy blue bow, and then I was gonna add a pink bow for the other one. But I love how they came out. They are so absolutely adorable, and I'm so in love with this Mod Podge effect. You're going to see more on my channel. This next decor DIY makeover idea is so simple and it comes out so beautiful. All you're going to do is you're going to take these bunnies from Dollar Tree, these little container bunnies, and you're going to spray paint them a chocolate brown. Make sure it's a flat paint because the flat paint is going to give it that look of chocolate. And when you spray paint them, they look like little chocolate decor, which is so cute to have for Easter decor. You can put it in your kitchen, you can put it in your living room, you can put it anywhere. It just makes the cutest like chocolate bunny decor. Now Dollar Tree has some gorgeous planners that are affordable prices that are way cheaper than the ones that you see at Walmart, Target, Amazon, any of those home decor stores. And this one right here is one of my favorites. It is so beautiful. I love the detail in it, and it's only $5. It comes in this white and it also comes in a gray, which is also very beautiful as well. But I decided to get the white because I felt like it goes better with Easter. And so the first thing I did was I put some pool noodles inside it, because if you put pool noodles inside it, it will actually hold your florals better. So this is a little hack that I learned from a lady on TikTok that she showed. And so now I always do that every time I have planters. I always put the pool noodles inside them to hold my, my florals. Now the florals that I'm going to put in these planters are the ones that I share with you guys in my Dollar Tree haul. These gorgeous bouquet that were $5 in the Dollar Tree Plus section. I love these. They have beautiful whites and blues in them. I share with you guys that they also had another one that had pink and purple in it, but I wasn't feeling the purple, so I didn't get it. But I did find some pink peonies in the floral section at Dollar Tree. They were $1.50. So I'm going to add these pink ones to this bunch as well. So instead of just taking these two bunches and just putting them in the planter, what I did was I take each stem apart from the bunch and then I style it that way, because if you do it that way, you can actually buy only 2 of these bunches and one of the pink ones, and you can be able to fill up this whole planter with just those 2 and the one pink one. Because if you just take the 2 that you bought and you just stick them into the planter, they will not be full because they're attached to the bottom part, and it doesn't give you it won't give you the ability to be able to spread it around and make it fuller. So I always suggest to take your stems apart and then add them separately. And this is how it turned out, you guys. Look how full it is with only 2 of those bunches and one of the pink ones. Really separating them just helps you make it look more fuller. And I put this in my front porch. It looks so beautiful. I have one on either side of my door. And as you can see, I have those little fake like cement looking eggs that I share with you guys on my channel right next to them. If you haven't seen that video, I'll link it down below. I also made that with the Dollar Tree product as well. And it just looks so beautiful. And what's the best part about this planner style is when it comes right now, it has the pinks and the blues, but when Easter is over, I could just take out the pink flowers, and they're perfect for summer because it has the blue and the white flowers, which is a perfect transition for summertime. So I think this would be great to just have all summer long. So it's just gonna be an easy transition for me, and I really like how beautiful this came out. And that is it for today's video, you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed it. Let me know in the comments down below which DIY was your favorite, and I'll catch you guys in my next video. Bye guys. Hey guys, don't forget to click on the picture in the middle of the screen so you can subscribe to my channel and get notifications on all the new videos that I put out, and check out these other 2 videos that I have posted on my channel on either side of my picture. Have a great day.